Hold on, wait, let me get my shit together. Always just for the occasion, I ain't trying to risk the weather. Just blessing that little shit, but I get my bitch one better. Ain't no point in sizing up to me, cause can't no nigga match. What I mean is no comparison. I'm way too arrogant. The whole scene I'm the star, back me down, I'm all American. I just know something fast, you couldn't stare. I be talking to the money on the daily, like I'm his therapist. Like, over you is serious, touch it, I get furious. He gon' point this at your top like a pyramid. She asking why it's purple in my cup, cause I'm horse therapy. Don't say not that. You fuck me and fuck my nearest skin. Damn, bitch, you kinda trifle. I don't care that you a hoe, we notified, so stop trying to hide. These niggas hit the booth and tell it all. They be crime started. So you make me drop stitching. I ain't rhyming diapers. I just wanna plug, cause I ain't like his prices. I ain't always tell the truth, cause I don't like surprises. Put up to my own show late, like I don't like arriving. A little bit of quick sweep the rock. That's how you fight a crime. Cause what's the point of trying to box niggas? See, put up a fight, I'd rather put you in a box, nigga. I ain't gonna do, but I'm with niggas that done drop niggas. Real go-getters. Tell them that they ain't cop niggas. You can call me Big Ol' Bruce Wayne, I'm swerving in the wind. And we gon' start purging in this shit. She a little pervert for the bitch, but I know she loose. You can stuff a person in this bitch. Got a year to wait out, I've been working in this bitch. You cannot come around here and need purpose for this shit. Piss me off, almost got me cursing in this bitch. But I ain't popping perkins in this bitch. Moving nervous in this bitch, I'll probably get you hurt more. I can write an nigga with the fuck am I, a surfboard? I'm talking like he is, I never heard no. Ain't nobody talking how I am, let's have a word off. Hold on, wait, let me get my shit together. Only just for the occasion, I ain't trying to risk the weather. You was blessing that little shit, but I get my bitch one better. Point sizing up to me, cause can't no nigga measure. It's no comparison. I'm way too arrogant. The whole scene, I'm a star, I'm all American. Can't tell you, but just know it's something fast, because we staring. To the money on the daily, like I'm staring. Like over you is serious. Touch it, I get serious. Boy, we gon' put this at the top, like a pyramid. Purple in my cup, cause I'm horse therapy. Don't say you got a thought. You fuck me and fuck my nearest king. Bitch. Damn.
Alright, this next one a little bit more, it's for the ladies and shit. You feel me? It's a little more lighthearted. Yeah.
The way that she fucked me, I thought she gon' love me forever. It was all in the eyes when I met her. I had because feelings, I usually get her. But that's something I just couldn't tell her. She buying my own shit, I don't gotta sell her. That regular shit don't impress her. She don't see the bullshit just like how they kill her. She get under your skin if you let her. I keep a bad bitch, but she gotta be clever. Like be quick with that brain, girl, you better. She bending it over, I touch it, get wetter. Get the bullet in her hair like she suck me, I swear I can't keep it together. And this blast don't need no brother. The second I leave, she get needed and never. I come back and she still being extra. Oh, yeah. She wanna be my little yeah, she talking about love, but it doesn't live here. So I'll tell her come sit on my face like a chair. Oh, yeah, I'm talking about shit, but that's red. Trying to kick it again. When she called me, I sound like the man in the mirror. Michael Jackson, gotta take off the glove, now I'm blacking. Me and me, you one leg up a factory. Hear my voice and she don't from the accent. Now she wanna go south on the north, nigga. Pet the pussy and I'll make it raw, nigga. I told y'all before, nigga, it's a position. The way that she fucked me, I feel she gon' love me forever. It was only when I met her, I had biggest feelings, I usually get her. But that's something I just couldn't tell her. She buying her own shit, I don't gotta sell her. That regular shit don't impress her. She don't see the bullshit just like how they count her. She get under your skin if you let her. I keep a bad bitch, but she gotta be clever. You be quick with that breaker, you better. She bending it over, I touch it, get better. Get to pulling her hair like a lever. I swear I can't keep it together. And it's flat, so leave no brother. The second she leaves, she get needed and double. I come back and she still be in there.
For real, nah, I got you, for real. Nah, for real,
Got the splash, for real, check out that. Nah, for real, I'm keeping stash. I won't go back, for real, if you going now. For real, don't even know the deal. Whenever I hop out, they be asking out for real. I can grow that, and like support the kill. The song gon' help me feel right, and right my will. Ain't need to pack the bitch, I cracked the bitch and had the bitch. That no ends up had a lick. That was that and that was it. On my job, for real, keep the vibe. Nah, for real, we outside. For real, we outside. For real, keep my guys. For real, this ain't just for thrills. She knows she can take it, but I turn on peppers. She ain't all too good to be true. Cause I am, bitch, I like too exclusive. I got plays, I got vibes, I got moves. So what's the way? What you really trying to do, man? Really get this incident like the stove on the pot. Make it pretty in richness, I'm old on the pot. Make it pretty is with this shit. Look, don't worry, she can't get caught. Deal with the gang, you not. If it's real shit, I don't see it. That real shit, I can beat it. And I'll beat every moment. Now it's rolling, I can read it. If they say I can remix. I'm still high on my decent. Tell another 3A, yeah. Don't wanna repeat it. No, I wouldn't teach it. Now I'm in a recess. We gon' break it where you at, and that's where we leave it. There ain't no reason. We just some demons. Yeah, down this flash. For real, it just felt bad. Nah, for real. Nah, for real. Nah, for real. Yeah, for real. Whenever I hop out, they be passing out for real.
Let's go!
There's 1,000 different ways for you to die. Nigga, pick one. Too many bitches out here trying to fuck. Nigga, hit one. You put that little shit on and really go judicial. Set the switch to like the room up like a leg. Don't make it look. Hey, cause we didn't keep the spot lit. Now the party jumping. So the bitch can come and give me brain. I just cross another rapper off the list. I be talking hunting. Niggas think they talking dog shit, but ain't talking nothing. Nigga throw this whip, get the parking something. Can't speak on me when I slide at the parking something. Ain't a movie with the gang, get the Warner Brothers. If you see the chase, don't hesitate. Get the Warner Brothers. Niggas, nigga, it's Jimmy's with ya. Don't kick it, nigga. I'll finish with ya. Back and forth, now I ain't playing tennis. How the fuck you think we go? Trying to the distance, nigga. That bitch a lesson, it is missing, nigga. I'm a big stepper. I ain't no joke to the nigga. Walk into that bitch, I'm smoking loud. I ain't gon' walk into that bitch, I'm smoking loud. I ain't gon' whisper, nigga.
I got one more for y'all, man. Got one more for y'all. Yeah. Alright, kid. Hey.
Knock, knock, do that. Nigga, it's the boogeyman in our kitchen. Trying to stop me with a cooking look, with a bag up. That's the only time I would've ran. I got pulled like a rubber. Ever since I could remember, I was dreaming about her. Ever since I could remember, all these bitches been so fucking, so don't pull me. I'm pulling for no fucking. Posing that in real life, I ain't posing on the fucking look. When they post away, when you say it, hurt your fucking head. I act like I'm him when I walk in. Cause I'm fucking man. I know we just fuck. I'm a busting bitch, let's fucking get. Ask me what I said, I get mad, bitch, say what again. Know what I'm gonna say, I'm just big. If it's really wet, cause I like swimming, I'm a dog, baby, but I'm in the catch. I'm just different. Cross, baby, got over your neck. That's religion. Who we appreciate? 9, 10, 11, 12. Bitch, I'm on my way to I'm a papa, yeah, think it's Friday the 13th. Triple sixes everywhere. Bitch, I'm off as a beast. I'ma beat my pockets, me and the hoes having boxing matches. All these niggas sleeping when they broke. They don't gotta keep popping beats and dropping lean like I don't gotta have it. And all these niggas on this flat like, oh, bitch, I'm high out my mind. I don't know what I'm gonna do. High as I'm loud, look at my eyes and see the pool. He on the block and he can shoot. Let it hang just like a bitch, I'm low like OGB. The other side won't get a truth. Gonna find out how I did it. They don't even got a clue. This is different types of drugs. This shit look like what's this brew. They said get up, get some money. That's just what I'm finna do.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yo, once again, my name is Jvyfromthe203 on everything. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, SoundCloud, Apple, whatever, man. Shout out. Yo, make some noise for yourselves, man. Y'all have been a great audience. Make some noise, bro. Yeah. But shout out Nada, shout out Salser, shout out DJ Ty, man. Shout out all the artists that performed. I'm gonna perform, man. I'm out.